what's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. It's your boy Mickey Mac. Today, got another product from Amazon. This is the Der Rose hat washer. This is basically a cage for your hat. Keep the frame, and you could throw it in the wash to clean it. Obviously, this is a 3-pack. It says adult cap, kid cap, dishwasher, and cold water. So that's what can be applied when using these cages. And I took the top one off with the Der Rose label on it. Almost looks like a catcher's mask. So basically, it is plastic. It snaps right in to these grooves right here. Just don't want to break it. Feels really cheap, I'm not going to even lie. But hey, you know what? It's for a hat. So just to keep the frame, making sure that it doesn't bend. And here are your two pieces, like this. I'm going to take this Lucky Irish hat here. This is like a, I guess, fitted snapback, I guess they would call it, right? You got to look at which one's the top and which one's the bottom. Hopefully I don't mess this up. I'm going to try making it a little bit bigger. So there you go. It's in on the bottom. And then you're going to take the top and jail this thing practically. A little bit of a struggle here, guys. I'm not going to lie. Well, what do you know? I had it backwards. Unbelievable. So now I got the top back on it right here. And this is basically what a jailed hat looks like. Also, too, if you are wearing hats often and washing your hats often, this is probably for you. Really cool product, not gonna lie. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is your boy Mickey Mac, and I'll see you next time. That is super uncomfortable.